amiguitos. My name is Platanito.
Hola, amiguitos. Welcome back to another fun adventure with me, Platanito. Today, we're going to play pretend. You are doctors in training, and I'm your guide. Every great doctor needs to know body parts inside and out. And the best part? We'll learn them in not one, not two, but 3 different ways. In English, Spanish, and Dominican Spanish. And the best part? We will end it with a song that you can dance and sing to. Ready to begin? Vamos! Amiguitos, we have a patient today. Say, hola, Judelka.
Hola.
Eso. Let's start the examination. We are going to start at the top, her head and face. Can you point to yours? Wow, check out that messy hair. Can you point to your hair? Eso. In Spanish, hair is called cabello. But when it's messy, we say it's cabello enredado. Say it with me. Cabello enredado. But in the Dominican Republic, we sometimes call it greña. Say it with me. Greña. Muy bien. Next, let's move to the head. Can you point to your head? Excelente. In Spanish, we say cabeza. Say it with me. Cabeza.
Yay!
But in the Dominican Republic, sometimes we call it caco. Say it with me. Caco. Buen trabajo. All right, let's try cheeks. Can you point to your cheeks? Muy bien.
Yay!
In Spanish, we call it mejillas. Say it with me. Mejillas. But in Dominican Spanish, sometimes we call it buche. Say it with me. Buche. Eso. Up next, let's go over the lips. Can you point to your lips? Excelente. In Spanish, we say labios. Say it with me. Labios. But in Dominican Spanish, we sometimes say bemba. Say it with me. Bemba. Genial. Now, sometimes Dominicans might refer to the area around your mouth as hocico or chimba. There's so many words to learn. Okay, y ahora, let's talk about the jaw. Can you point to your jaw? Me encanta. In Spanish, it's called quijada. Say it with me. Quijada. But in Dominican Spanish, we say quija. Say it with me. Quija. Huepa. Now moving over to the neck. Can you point to your neck? Eso. In Spanish, we say cuello. Say it with me. Cuello. But Dominicans might also say cocote. Say it with me. Cocote. Another word they might use for it is
pescuezo,
say it with me.
pescuezo.
Me encanta. fun fact time. Before we move on, let's have a fun fact moment. Have you ever seen someone with big puffy hair? In the Dominican Republic, we call that a pajón. It's a term used for thick, curly hair. Say it with me. Pajón. ¡Qué chulo! Now, let's check out some body parts that are the same in Spanish and Dominican Spanish. When I call them out, make sure you point to them. Where are your eyes? Those are called ojos. Say it with me. Ojos. Now where is your nose? That's called nariz. Say it with me. Nariz. Where are your ears? Those are called orejas. Say it with me. Orejas. Now where are your knees? Those are called rodillas. Say it with me. Rodillas. Now point to your arms. Those are called brazos. Say it with me. Brazos. And where are your hands? Those are manos. Say it with me. Manos. Wow, you're doing great! Yay! I feel like we're missing some more, ¿verdad? Oh yeah, what about armpits? Can you point to your armpits? In Spanish, we call them las axilas. Say it with me. Axilas. But Dominicans often say los sobacos. Say it with me. Sobaco. Oh, I know another one. What about biceps? Do you know where your biceps are? In Spanish, we call it biceps. Say it with me. Biceps. But Dominicans sometimes call them mollero. Say it with me. Mollero. Genial! Now this one's my favorite. Let's not forget fingers. Can you point to your fingers? In Spanish, we say dedo. Say it with me. Dedo. But in Dominican Spanish, sometimes we just say dedo. Say it with me. Dedo. Muy bien. Wow, I can't believe we're almost done. Next up is the stomach. Can you point to your stomach? In Spanish, we say estómago. Say it with me. Estómago. But in Dominican Spanish, we say panza. Say it with me. Panza. Eso. All right, now let's move on to legs. Can you point to your legs? In Spanish, we call them piernas. Say it with me. Piernas. But in the Dominican Republic, sometimes we hear them say it's called patas. Say it with me. Patas. Fantástico! Also, pata can mean feet in Dominican Spanish. Isn't that cool? By the way, feet in Spanish is pies. Say it with me. Pies. Eso. Let's not forget the shins. Can you point to your shins? In Spanish, Espinilla. Say it with me. Espinilla. But in Dominican Spanish, we call them canilla. Say it with me. Canilla. There's also another word for it. Queca. Say it with me. Queca. Well done.
What about the calf?
That's called pantorrilla. Say it with me. Pantorrilla. But Dominicans sometimes call it batata. Say it with me. Batata. Eso es. Wow, aprendimos mucho hoy, ¿eh? Before we wrap up, I have a special activity for you. You can practice what you've learned by labeling body parts in English, Spanish, and Dominican Spanish. Head over to my website, jazzdoming.com, where you'll find the activity sheet featuring our patient Judelka to help you review what we've learned today. Grab a grown-up and check it out. It's time for activity time. Wow, amiguitos, you doctors in training learned so much today. And now it's time to dance and sing. We're going to do a special bachata version of head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Get ready to move.
Caco, caco, touch your head, touch your head. Cocote, cocote, touch your neck, touch your neck. Panza, panza, rub your belly, rub your belly. Patas, patas, move your feet, move your feet. Deo, deo, wiggle your fingers. Batata, batata, shake your legs. Patas go left, patas go right. Move your canillas side to side. Clap, clap, clap las manos. Shake, shake, shake la batata. Pata, pata, dale una pata. Jump, jump, jump bien alto. Caco, caco, touch your head, touch your head. Cocote, cocote, touch your neck, touch your neck. Panza, panza, rub your belly, rub your belly. Patas, patas, move your feet, move your feet. Deo, deo, wiggle your fingers. Batata, batata, shake your legs. Patas go left, patas go right. Move your canillas side to side. One more time. Caco, cocote, cocote. Panza, patas, muévele loto. Deo, batata, side to side. Dominican dance, let's go, let's vibe.
Great job today, amiguitos. Now you know your body parts in English, Spanish, and Dominican Spanish. Don't forget to practice at home and teach your family too. And remember, always have fun while learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Nos vemos en la próxima.